Through the use of stickers, users can personalize their story on the Instagram. There are a lot of options for making your stories more interesting because these stickers include everything from music to GIF. You might have seen Add Your Sticker appear on the app. Typically, the interactive stickers will prompt you to share your photos, and you can join the story chain by clicking Add Yours button. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use Add Your Sticker on Instagram Story. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your page. Tap on Story. Choose the story you want. On the top, tap on Sticker icon. Select Add Yours from the list of available stickers. In the Write a Prompt section, write what you want people to post in the chain. Tap on Done. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to use Add Your Sticker on Instagram Story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.